Hey AV, congrats on your new machine. You suggested we offer ideas that we think would help people, and I think there's a lot of value in allowing people to repair their stuff, especially when our possessions are so short-lived and kind of engineered to fail. So I've been really into hand sewing, and this is one of my favorite tools. It's a sailmaker's palm. So here's a traditional sewing palm, the way they've been made for a real long time. It's just leather with rawhide on top and a metal thimble eye there. Aside from being made out of dead animal, it's just not very comfortable. I've never seen one that fits a hand very well. It's kind of a two-dimensional material approximated to the shape of a hand, which is very complex in 3D. So I started prototyping out of aluminum foil and sheet metal and tape, and there's a lot of these in the garbage. This is one of the later versions. It fits the hand real nice. I'm thinking there would be a boss on here that holds a thimble eye and a strap across the back. Everybody that tries this thing on, small hands or big hands, whatever, they all say it's a lot more comfortable than that one. So I spent a while drawing this form up in CAD and came up with this. This is just 3D printed plastic, and I pulled a fiberglass cast off it, and it's good. I do need to modify the shape a little more, but it's promising. As I worked on this, it's pretty obvious that it was a more tedious way to make this. It just seems like this thing should be injection molded. The boss that holds the thimble eye, that could just be integral. It could all be one piece. There could even be little hooks or something on here to hold the strap for the back. They could be made really strong and high production. You know, get these in the hands of more people and let us start patching the holes in our pockets. So maybe it goes without saying, but I don't really have the tech or the resources to make this happen on my own. But if you or anybody wants to help out, I'd love to see where we could take it. I'm willing to give all the time I can. I realize injection molding might be a dive off the deep end with your new machine, but if you're up for trying to machine an injection mold, I think it would be a really cool project. And I'd love to follow you as you make it happen. So yeah, with that, thanks for your consideration, and look forward to more videos. Keep them coming.